So today we are going to learn about how to create a use case diagram. So first you need to be log on in your ChatGPT account, and then you have to upload your document to the ChatGPT, right? Like this, and then you need to type on your query prompt on here. So I'm writing on here that you need to be identify the use case diagram on this description on this document, right? So this one is one of project proposal. So I'm writing my query on here, or the prompt on here, and then you can identify that the ChatGPT is identifying the relationship or the use case diagram or the relevant data assigned to the UI proposals, right? Just like this. So the one is identify as a admin, and the task that relevant to that admin, right? Like this, the ChatGPT will identify the role of the each of persons that relevant in your documentations. So here you can see that he identify admin, tutor, parent, and relevant actors, and the task that assigned to those actors. And you can see on here simple use case diagram is structured, so built by ChatGPT. And then he asking that you need to be designing UML use case diagram, right? UML mean user manipulate language, right? So the that kind of diagram do you need. So before process on that, I'm just copying these documents, right? Or these the relevant text that generated with the ChatGPT. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just using one of GPT built app called software architect GPT, right? On here, right, you need to be select this software architect GPT to draw your use case diagram perfectly, right? This one is most specifically built for design the use case to draw some diagram relevant to the software architect, right? So I just copy those generated actor details, right? And then I'm just paste on here and tell that you need to be draw the uh, relevant use case diagram using this data, right? That's the prompt I will generate on here. Right on here, the software architect GPT generate UML code. For that you can draw using some tools. So he is asking whether you need to be created on here, right? So this is the generated code relevant to the UML, right? Now he is asking me that so now you can see the code is generated on the canvas, right? So I'm again prompting right now, make an image of it, right? So he will analyze and provide some link that you can create the diagram using those tools, and you can just copy these generated Canva document, right? And then you can use this plain UML online server, or there may be a different kind of tool that you can copy this code and paste onto there, right? And then you can see clearly that one is generating uh, the relevant use case diagram, right? So I'm just using this PlantUML type of website to generate my UML diagram. So now I have copied the uh, pre generated code, right, on here the canvas. right? Now I'm just copying it, and now I'm going to paste on here, right? So now I have generated the code, and I have pasted it on here, right? And then you can click submit button on here, and it will generate the use case diagram exactly like this, right? They will show the relationship with each of actors and their functionalities on here, right? That's the easy way that you can generate a use case diagram using this ChatGPT and the other subject ChatGPT called software architect GPT, right? That's the way you can generate. Right now you can save this image. If you are using Firefox, you can use control shift and S, right? And then you can easily download this use case diagram to your computer, right? So let's see how we can download it. Control shift plus S, and I'm just pressing download. Right now it's saved to my hard disk, right? And then let's see how it will display on your image view, right? Now you can see how the chat GPT and the software update GPT have generated the your source code to the image, right? So it has a high resolution image that you can use in anywhere, right? You can see the clarity of the image. So this type way you can easily make a use case diagram for your proposals and the final report of your projects, right?